It starts with a single insect, spinning a single thread. By the time it's finished, that thread will become one of the most prized fabrics humans have ever made.
Silk begins with sericulture, the careful raising of silkworms, fed on fresh mulberry leaves, as they grow toward the moment they begin to spin. Traditionally, silkworms are raised on stacked bamboo trays, where farmers carefully monitor them as they grow and prepare to spin. Once mature, the silkworm finds a secure place and begins laying a continuous silk filament, slowly building a protective cocoon around itself. For 2 to 3 days, it spins continuously, wrapping itself in layer after layer until the silkworm disappears completely inside. Once complete, the cocoons are harvested and softened in hot water, loosening the natural gum that holds the delicate silk fibers together. Several microscopic filaments are gathered together and carefully reeled, unwinding each cocoon into one remarkably long, continuous strand of raw silk. Modern mills automate the same delicate process, combining and reeling thousands of silk filaments continuously with remarkable speed and precision. Raw silk is still too delicate for weaving, so several strands are combined and precisely twisted, a process known as throwing. Next comes color. Under carefully controlled conditions, dyes penetrate the silk, transforming pale yarn into brilliant, lasting shades. Hundreds of silk threads are aligned into a warp, then interlaced with weft, until individual strands become a continuous sheet of fabric. On a traditional handloom, every shuttle pass adds another line of silk, slowly building patterns that can take days to complete. After weaving, the silk is carefully washed, dried, and finished, refining its surface and revealing the smooth luster it's famous for. From a silkworm's microscopic filament to finished fabric, this is silk. Thousands of years of craft woven into every shimmering thread. And it all begins with something almost impossibly small: a single silkworm and a single thread.